I may direct your attention to the monitor. If I may direct your attention to the monitor. Devon's calling. This is my self-analyzing probe. In conjunction with my new onboard computer, it can isolate and diagnose virtually any malfunction. If I may direct your attention to the monitor. You are not the proper owners of this vehicle, so either you get out, or I will take the appropriate measures. Let's say we run up against someone wearing a disguise and want to find out who he really is. I simply break down his face with my IGP, then activate my linear predictive graphics routine, and voila, a 3D reconstruction of the real face. That stands for my new three-dimensional interactive graphics plotter.